All right, here's another one. Today this is a piece that we picked up, and we did a little bit of a video showing where we got the piece. So today is going to be the actual video of how it gets done. I'm going to make this one white because there's a customer that actually is in love with it, and I think this is going to be the one for them. So let's check this one out and see how we get this done, and I hope you like the way it turns out. It looks the details on it is insane. The hardware is to die for. It's just really cool. I've never seen this hardware before. I think this is what's gonna make it really pop. So check it out, and I hope you love it. All right, let's do it. All right, so I want to give you a little bit of a close-up on this so you can see how beautiful this is. This is a little bit of a cherry wood type of finish on it. So I'm thinking they stained it and then kind of lacquered it with something that was very concentrated. The doors are pretty smooth. Because this is going to be white, I think it's going to need a little bit of prepping before, because it may bleed a little bit, and I think it may even take a little bit of paint to cover this up to get away from this dark red cherry look. So we may have to put a little bit of a base on it, but we'll see. We'll test it out and see if it bleeds, and if it bleeds, then we'll change it around and do some different things to make it cover well. Look at the details here. This is so beautiful. I like that. The hardware, as I said, is insane. Very slick, very unique. I've never seen them before, so I think this goes back to a little bit of time. Not probably 40s or 50s, or probably 70s. It's the hardware is very different for sure. It's old, all metal, not plastic or anything of the sort. So I think it's gonna look really nice. A little bit of top damage that we're gonna have to take care of, but overall, beautiful piece. Mid-century legs, and as you can tell, this is the base to a hutch. So we're saving its life, bringing it back to life, because typically the hutches get dumped. But look at this. Tell me you don't love this. All right, let's get busy. So the first thing we want to do, as usual, we're going to take off the hardware, and because we're making it gold, we're just going to buff it a little bit so that the gold actually has something to hold on to. And we're going to just make sure that they cure so that we can get this job done today. We want to start it today and finish it today. We like to get it done one shot. I don't think we're going to do anything different to the leg, so it's going to be fast. So first process, take off the hardware, make it nice and gold. Then we get sanding. After sanding, we clean it down. We make sure everything structurally is fine, and then create the magic. Let's go!
leave you behind. And all through the night, when we're running blind,